welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hairline. I hope you guys are doing good. In today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be telling you this amazing eyebrow secret. No eyebrow pencil, no cream, none of that stuff. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the Mcors Eyebrow stencil kit. I can't wait to show you guys this and how to use it and all the cool stuff about it. So please, if you're new on this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also share this video because this is a secret that not a lot of people know. So make sure that you be sharing this. Don't be selfish. And also, if you really enjoy the content, give it a thumbs up. It means a lot and it's free. And guys, without any more further ado, let's get into it. So guys, here is the kit. It's so tiny, y'all, like really tiny. Didn't expect that. They have 5 colors to choose from: natural brown, light brown, medium brown, dark brown, and gray black. The one that I have is number 2, dark brown. So now we're just gonna go ahead and open this up. So small, guys, like what? I guess it's only eyebrows, so let's see what's in here. Okay, so they've got the eyebrow stamp. Okay, this is how it looks. Pretty cool. Why is it not closing? Okay, there you go. They also added a little eyebrow brush. And lastly, in the box, they had these eyebrow stencils, as you guys can see. And they've actually got numbers on them. So there's 1 to 6, I believe. But let me just open it up to show you guys. So 1. Wait, what? Oh, because you've got 2 eyebrows. There's 2 for each eyebrow. So 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, and so on. You get the point. So yeah, guys, there you have it. These 3 things were in the box. This little tiny box that you guys saw had all of this in it. So guys, Mcors says this is not only for your eyebrows, but you can also use this for your hairline. You know what I'm saying? So if you have really thin hairline, you can put some whatever color you have on it to make it look really thick, which is really awesome. Now we're gonna go ahead and try the stencils with the stump and see what it looks like. Okay, so each number has a different eyebrow shape. So for example, number 1 is a lot different from number 2. So now I'm gonna have to pick which one suits my face better. 1 doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna leave that on the side. 2. What I don't like is this start. It's like round, which I'm not feeling. So nope. Number 3, guys. I don't know about this one. Three is not bad at all. 3 is not bad. I'm gonna keep that on the side. 4. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be feeling 4. Let's see. Too angry. Now 5. Let's see, 5. Okay, 5. Do I like 5? I don't think 5 is too bad, so leave that on the side. And last but not least, 6. Okay, 6 is like really high. It's like, phew. I have like an arch that goes down, so I don't think 6 will work, but I do like it. It's kind of cute. This is hard, you guys. Like, what? So now I have 1, 3, and 5. Which one looks better? Let's see. They're like really different as well. I just don't even know which one to pick. I'm thinking I might go with 1. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with 1. It looks more reasonable for me. So guys, these are the shapes from 1 all the way to 6, as you guys can see. So this is the one I'm going for, but you've got this. Yeah, I like this one more because it looked more natural. It looked a lot more like my eyebrows, so that's the one I'm gonna go for. This one, I didn't like the beginning, the way it was looking. This one was really curved. This will look good if you have your eyebrows waxed or threaded. This was a little bit too dramatic for me. This was a little bit too straight. And this one is not too bad. Might try that one next. But yeah, these are the shapes on paper, as you guys can see. So this is good if you want to switch it up. You know, sometimes you want to have different shape of eyebrows. I don't know why, but if you want to, then this is really good for it. Maybe different occasions. Maybe if you're going to work, you want something a little less dramatic. And maybe if you're going out to have drinks with your friends, you want to be a little dramatic, you can switch it up. So this is good for that. But I decided to keep it very basic. So I went with the first one. Not because it's basic, but because it fits my face more. So using this brush that they added, I'm gonna go ahead and just start by brushing my eyebrows in shape so that it's not messy and it just looks more natural. Brush my eyebrows in shape. And guys, if you haven't noticed yet, one of my eyebrows is a different shape. Well, it's not like a different shape. This one is more arched and this one is more curved. So we'll make it work though. Okay, moment of truth, y'all. Moment of truth. By the way, this is bouncy, so it allows you to get more powder on your brush. And then just tap it or dab it on. Okay, so now for the reveal, guys. Okay, not bad, you know. This is not bad, as you guys can see. Okay. Ooh. Using this mirror, I can see it so much better. Okay. Ooh, guys. It gave me that perfect arch that I always try to get with an eyebrow pencil, but I can never get it. The only thing I was supposed to do was go a little bit lower, or I don't know if it's the shape of the eyebrows or what it is, but just this part was missed a little bit. So I'm gonna go over it again to make it look perfect. Okay, you know what, that's not bad at all, to be honest. Can you guys see that? Not bad at all. I'm gonna go ahead and do the second eyebrow, then we're just gonna go ahead and tidy everything up, and I'm gonna give you guys my opinion and, you know, just a little stuff that you might find helpful. So let's get it. Again one more time. So as you guys can see, that is my eyebrows. I'm not gonna say all done because I haven't finished yet. I have a couple of things to do. So far, let me know what you guys think in the comment box. But so far, I think it looks really good. I think it works really well. But before I give you guys any more of my thoughts, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly clean up my eyebrows. So guys, using this bully brush that they gave me, if you have your own, that's fine as well. I'm going to go ahead and use my whatever I use to outline my eyebrows, so that can be concealer, foundation, whatever you're using. I'm using my foundation today. now guys, I'm gonna use the spoolie brush, just this part of it, and I'm gonna go ahead and brush the eyebrow just to set them in place. You can use eyebrow gel to set your eyebrows if you have some, but I don't have any and I don't usually use it anyway, so I'm just gonna use this and just, you know, set it in place. So let's do that. So guys, I also wanted to show y'all how it works on the hair. And as you guys can see, my edges are looking a little thinner than they did before. That's because I've been wearing a lot of wigs, guys. A lot of wigs. Okay, I don't want to overdo it. It's looking like it's getting there. Okay, wow, guys, you see the difference? So before, after, before, after. So this is it. I really want to hear your thoughts, guys, so please tell me so far what you think about this in the comment box. But here's what I think. First of all, I think it's very easy to do, very quick. I feel like regardless of the shape that you use, your eyebrows will still look good anyway. If you guys want me to try all the other shapes in a different video, then let me know. I can do that. If you're someone who's a beginner, then this is gonna be super helpful for you. This is definitely true to the color. There's no lie about it. It's not too dark and it's definitely not too light. That's what I appreciate about it. It's all about how you place a stencil on your face. If you don't want your arch to end here, make sure you don't do it like this. You know what I'm saying? The downside is how you place it. If you don't do it right, on like you did on the previous eyebrow, it may look different. That's the only thing. But if you know what you're doing and if you do it well, then you have no problem, sis. Or bro, if you're a guy watching this. Overall, I'm feeling my eyebrows and I think this is the best my eyebrows have looked in a very long time, so I'm very happy with them. Let me know what you guys think about my eyebrows in the comment box, and let me know if you would try this as well. So this is the end of today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and for those of you who love to do their eyebrows just like me, I hope this video has been helpful, and I hope you got some good secret, because this is a secret. Not everybody knows this. So please make sure you share this video so more people can know it. Make sure you like this video so more people can discover it. Leave a comment down below telling me what you think, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to hit the bell so every time I upload you'll be notified. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.